Did you know that the upcoming airdrop from X Empire could potentially be worth thousands of dollars for each participant? Yeah, you heard that right. This might just be the biggest opportunity in the crypto space this year. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into X Empire, a game changer in the crypto world. For those who might be new, X Empire is known for its innovative projects and community-driven approach. And guess what? They're about to launch their biggest airdrop ever, and you don't want to miss it. Now, let's talk about a few misconceptions surrounding airdrops that might hold some of you back. First off, many people think airdrops are just too good to be true. I mean, free crypto? What's the catch, right? Others worry about the eligibility criteria, feeling like they might not fit the bill. Plus, there's that fear of scams. With so many fake airdrop schemes out there, it's hard to know who to trust. And let's not even get started on the technical side. Some folks feel overwhelmed by the process of participating. But don't worry, we're going to tackle all of this, so you can jump in confidently. Alright, let's get into the juicy details of this airdrop. First things first, who can participate? X Empire has made it super easy. If you're a holder of their tokens or a member of their community, you're already eligible. You'll need to register on their official site, and they'll guide you through the process step by step. What makes this airdrop really special is the sheer scale of it. They're distributing more tokens than ever before, and they're rolling out some cool features. Imagine being part of a community where every member benefits from the growth of the ecosystem. That's the dream, right? And guess what? The airdrop is set to reward early participants with exclusive bonuses. So, getting in early could mean a lot more tokens in your wallet. Now, let's spice things up. The most exciting part of this airdrop is the potential rewards. Some lucky participants could see their holdings multiply drastically as the project gains traction. And it's not just about the tokens. There are rumors of exclusive access to new features and products for those who take part in this airdrop. It's a chance to be right at the forefront of something big. Plus, there's a community aspect here that's so important. You're not just getting free tokens, you're joining a movement, a network of like-minded individuals who are all here to support each other. This is what makes X Empire stand out in the crowded crypto space. So, to wrap it all up, this airdrop from X Empire is shaping up to be a monumental event. We've talked about the eligibility, the process, and the amazing rewards waiting for you. Participating could really be a game changer for your crypto journey, so don't let this opportunity slip away. I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this airdrop? Are you excited? Drop your comments below. And if you're looking for more crypto insights, don't forget to check out my other videos. Hit that subscribe button and let's navigate this crypto universe together.